Hi, welcome to my channel Home Gardening. In this video, I am going to show you how to grow sweet corns at home. There are various types of corns, but this particular variety of corn is humans' favorite just because of its juicy milky texture with an added sweetness. The best time to grow corn in India is middle of April, where temperature just starts rising and it moves around 30 degrees Celsius. The first most important thing that we need to know is the good quality corn seeds for the best chance of germination. Seeds which are few couple of years old, please try to avoid those seeds. 1 year old seed is okay. The second and most important thing is the soil preparation. Soil should be rich in nutrients, that is rich in nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. So for that we have prepared the soil by taking 50% garden soil and 50% compost. There are two types of compost we used here, 25% cow dung compost and 25% organic compost. The soil should be well drained. Here I will show you how to sow the seeds. These are some unsoaked corn seeds. So I will sow one seed at one point, and each seed should be at least 30 centimeter apart in both the direction. And I will cover it with a thin layer of soil. Another row which is at 30 centimeter away from the previous one, and here also I will sow the seeds in the same way. About 70% of the seedlings have sprouted in just 4 days, and many more will sprout soon. As I have mentioned in the beginning of my video that seeds quality matters a lot, and this is its proof. After a month, you can see that corn plants have grown well, keeping their natural pace of growth. After 50 days, flowers appear in all the corn plants, and these flowers you can see that appear at the end of the stalk. This is basically the male part of the plant. It is called tassel. It contains pollen, and just right below this male part there is a female part, and this hairline thing of the female part is known as silk. Each hair of the silk is attached with a single kernel. Each one of these hairs needs to be fertilized, which means each one of these hairs receives pollen. Sometimes air pollination is not sufficient. In the morning around 7 to 8 o'clock or in the evening, just give a little shake so that the pollen spreads all through, and then it becomes easier to fertilize the female part. The third most important thing is that corn requires plenty of sunlight. Here I want to show you something. We have grown corns in two different portions of our vegetable garden. This is one portion. Here the plants are getting full sunlight, almost 8 hours a day, and this is another part where the plants are in semi-shaded region. After providing adequate nutrients, watering properly, what I found is that the plants which are in full sunlight have grown taller, and male and female parts have developed earlier compared to the other part. You can see here the female part is in developing stage. Now 80 days are over and I have come in my backyard garden, vegetable garden, to examine whether my sweet corns are ready to harvest or not. How do I know that the sweet corns are ready to harvest? Let's come with me. Look at this silk. It is soft, moist and brown in color, and its cob is also not filled. It is soft, so it is not ready yet. Look at this corn. Its silk has dried. It has lack of moisture and it has turned very dark brown color, and this cob is quite thick enough and hard also, so it may be ready to harvest. But how do I know that this corn is ripe? So for that I'll just open up its kernel. So you can see the yellow kernel. So whether it is ripe or not, just for that I'm sticking my nail in the kernel, and you can see that a milky sap has come out. That means it is ready to harvest. Now this is completely ready for harvesting. You can see the yellow kernels. Now I am going to pick it up. For picking up, you just need to give a little twist, and how easily you can see that it has come out. Wow, it's amazing. Yeah, beautiful. So I'm going to enjoy this sweet corn with my family. Believe me, it's an immense pleasure when you have this luxury to enjoy your own grown vegetable. Please try yours one too, and I'm sure you will enjoy this too. Thanks for watching. Don't